In this video, I'm going to be covering how you can create custom environment profiles in SOOTHSAYER. To demonstrate this, I'm going to use the Path Profile tool to help me identify what obstacles lie in the signal's path. Looking at the signal's path, I can see that there are trees affecting the signal's coverage. The height of these trees, though, may not be accurate. This can be adjusted by creating a custom environment profile. To do this, select Manage Clutter Profiles. This new window will display the parameters used for each type of terrain in your calculations, including the height and attenuation values. To create a new environment profile, we can assign it a name. We can also type in the height and attenuation values we want to use for those obstacles. Pressing Save will allow the profile to be selected from the Environment drop-down. Running the calculation again, we can see that we've got higher trees. Changing the environment back to its previous profile can also be seen in the Path Profile plot. To delete an environment profile, we can reopen the Manager window, selecting the profile to delete from the drop-down menu, and then selecting Delete.